show you how to take a final design, something that you know, you finished designing, that you've planned to make out of plywood or MDF or whatever, and you don't want to cut each piece individually. You want to just go ahead and get everything knocked out at once. So this piece, right, a little bit of background on this piece here is the white ant. It was designed by Patrick Hood Daniel from buildyourcnc.com. He gives these plans out in his book Printing with Plastic. I modified this a little bit to save some money using bearings that ride on strong ties rather than V-groove bearings. It saves a couple $100, but anyways, I'll probably end up making some videos on how to design and build this thing. But anyways, for now, this video is just to how to get this from this format to the CNC machine. Alright, so when you're ready to convert this, you just go ahead and go to mates, delete every mate, then delete all the non-wood parts, and then what you'll do is, let me show you, so I already have this file ready, yes, rebuild. So then you just decide, you know, what board do you want to cut it out of. So here, this is small enough to where I can cut it just out of 24 by 4 by 8 sheet. It's standard size that they sell at the hardware store. And so you make that board, put it in your assembly, and then you mate all your wooden pieces to it. And make sure that you have, for anything that needs to be countersunk, make sure that you have those holes facing up. And so, alright, so for some reason or another in Solidworks, you can't just create a DXF straight from this. You can't just, you know, say within this view I want a DXF just with every line that's available from this projection to be a DXF. So the way that that it's done is you go to File, Make Drawing from Assembly, and we need a custom sheet size, so we'll do 24 inches by 48 inches. And then we want this front view over here. Oh, we want the front view, and we need to drag it out here. So click and drag, place that. And then this is really important. We want to go over here and use custom scale, and we're going to go 1:1, and that's because we've designed it in its true scale, so it needs to retain that scale on here. And then for dimension type, we want true dimensions, because I believe what this does, and I'm not 100% sure. I'm assuming that when you have holes that are of different depths, it's going to try to make it look visually appealing, but not true to its actual size. That's my guess. But anyway, so I go ahead and click that to be safe. Click OK. And now we need to convert this to a DXF, so we just save it, save as, and then choose DXF. I'm going to put it out here, and final DXF. Alright, and so now we can use CAMBAM, which is, if you don't know about CAMBAM, it's a really good, easy to learn CAM software, which is computer aided machining, which will take your parts that you create in SolidWorks and allow you to put create machining operations so that you can spit out a G-code file which will tell your CNC machine where to go to cut everything out. So we want to open up that file that we just created, So we called it final DXF. So we'll open that, and then so here it's ready to go, and you know, it's probably an entire other tutorial to explain how to use Kanban, but here it is, ready for all your machining operations. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And yeah, this is actually my first tutorial video, so please like the video if you like it, and feel free to ask me any questions. Thanks.